Hi, good morning. My name is Madeline Arsenio Guria. I'm 37 years old. I'm from Bohol, Philippines, and I am single. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and gardening as well. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 2 years, started November 2023 to November 2025, and it was a finished contract. I serve a couple, ages 40 and 41 years old, together with their two children, ages 5 and 12. My duties are preparing foods and perform another task like taking care of their children, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and gardening as well. I like to work in Hong Kong because it is a good place and a good salary. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I am honest, hardworking, and I am very willing to learn. Thank you and God bless to your family.